So we have another Ford episode. This is a very lucky owner. We tried removing wheel nuts and we broke off the actual hex portion of the nut, which is this. Oh, all these three. The other two nuts actually came out. But before we broke the nuts, we broke our adapter for the huge breaker bar. And then we made a specific socket to fit the huge breaker bar without an adapter so that we could break these super nuts. Now, we are going to try and weld these pieces back onto the remaining piece of the nut and then try to remove that. So let's see how that goes. Okay, let's give it a shot now. So, attempting to remove welded piece. Looks like Ford is not giving up. Oh, yeah, broke it off. So, welded the piece and then broke it off again. So now we're just gonna take a bolt from another car, cut off the end, and then weld that to the whatever we have there, and then it should come out. So now we're welding this bolt. We cut off the threads. We're welding just the head because that's what we need to undo it. Good stuff. All right. It's not very straight, but you don't need it to be very straight. Done? All right, now we're gonna attempt the removal. All right. We have succeeded. We have gotten it loose. Yes. Look at that. Okay, we have two more to go. Yes, so this is what we had to do to get one out. Now two left. Okay, so second one. First one was very successful. Okay, now attempting the removal. All right, broke it, excellent. But now we already have prefabricated bolt that we're going to weld directly there right away, and that should come out. So let's keep going. We're getting a hang of it. Maybe we should weld this next one right away, since we're already rolling. What do you say? Yeah, well, let's do it. Why not? Rock and rollin'.
Maybe now try.
No. When welds get colder, they are stronger. If weld is hot, it's not fully hardened yet. Almost. All right, let's attempt the removal. Yeah, that was expected. Good. You're gonna weld a piece to it. That's later, but for now, let's do the one that's second stage. Just push it hard. Just step on it. Yeah. Wow. There you go. All right, time to remove. Let's see. This is the last one. Is this wheel coming off today or not? Oi. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, wow. Insane. What's your weight? Is it 100 kilos or so?
104.
104 kilos is his weight, and he was barely able to get this bolt loose. Ford F-150. You remember our Ford Explorer episode? Well, this is very similar. Corrosion is what causes every single problem on Ford. But we were able to remove this wheel today. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and don't buy Ford ever again.